Playtime with Cricket! Hey guys, we are here learning how storm clouds work. Now, how can we make a storm cloud out of shaving cream, some dye, and baby medicine syringes? Do you know how we're going to do this? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take some dye with the syringe, and then we're going to drop it on top of the shaving cream. And eventually the shaving cream will get saturated and it'll begin raining. Okay? Okay. Let's do this.
Okay.
Yeah, go for it. It's starting to rain. Wow, look at that. Look at the water under the shaving cream.
Cool.
That is cool. So what are we learning here? Let's get another color.
What color is this? We'll find out.
Oh, yeah. So what are we learning here?
Purple.
What are you learning here? You're like, I don't care. I'm just having fun, right?
Yeah, you're just having fun, I know.
We're all having fun.
Wait.
Oh, snap. Yeah, so in this experiment, you're supposed to use paint.
Paint?
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, and I can see why we need to use paint. So what's supposed to happen, look how some of it's actually falling down. Look at that.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
What is the paint for then?
The paint's heavier than water, so it'll actually fall. What we're doing here is we're showing how a rain cloud gets filled up with moisture, and when it gets saturated it begins to fall out, and it's supposed to fall all the way down. I think we're gonna have to do this again another time.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. That's cool. Alright. Did you learn something? No. You gonna talk at all?
I didn't actually.
A night? What? It's raining outside the world now. No, the jar is the world. Look at that shaving cream though. It's growing. That's cool.
Is it growing?
Yeah.
Now the rain is black.
Yeah, it's because we have so many colors in there. So, lesson here. Don't use food coloring. We have to use paint. Yeah. I think we're going to do this one again later, aren't we? We're going to do this again later. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching.
Yeah, I want to do some more.
You want to do some more? Okay, last one.
No.
Yep. It's already.
20 more.
No.
30.
Nope.
25.
Okay. Say goodbye.
3.
Say goodbye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks for joining us for another Playtime of Cricket.
And if you really liked our video, please don't forget to leave a comment below. And please subscribe. Have a great day.
Bye.